everyone, it's Maria here, and I am here to bring you 4 different recipes off of the Starbucks menu. They're all going to be Frappuccinos, so I am going to be making the Mocha Frappuccino, the Vanilla Bean Frappuccino, the Matcha Latte, and the all-time favorite Caramel Frappuccino. So with it being so hot, we just decided let's go ahead and make our own, stay at home and stay out of the heat. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, for the Mocha Frappuccino, we're going to need 1/4 cup of cold coffee, half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of chocolate syrup, 2 cups of ice, and whipped cream. So let's go ahead and pour our coffee into the blender. You can use instant coffee or brewed coffee. And that is half a cup of milk. I am using almond milk for all of the recipes. Smucker's chocolate syrup, and that's 1 tablespoon. And then 2 cups of ice. Go ahead and blend that. Okay, so now we're going to take our glass, take our syrup, and pour that on the inside of the glass. See, there we go. And then pour our Frappuccino into our glass. Alright, so now we are going to go ahead and top that with whipped cream. And then we're going to take our chocolate syrup and drizzle that over our whipped cream. And that is our Mocha Frappuccino. For the Vanilla Bean Frappuccino, you're going to need half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup, 1 scoop of vanilla bean ice cream, 2 cups of ice, and some whipped cream. Okay, so let's go ahead and pour our milk into the blender. And then it is 1 tablespoon of the vanilla syrup, and I will be sure to place links in the description below for the products I'm using. And this is organic vanilla bean ice cream, and it's just 1 scoop. And then 2 cups of ice. And go ahead and blend. Okay, so once your Frappuccino is done, just go ahead and pour that right into your glass. And then just top it with whipped cream. And that is your Vanilla Bean Frappuccino. For our Matcha Latte Frappuccino, we're going to need 1 packet of matcha, 1 tablespoon of hot water, 1 tablespoon of honey, half a cup of milk, 2 cups of ice, and whipped cream. Okay, so I am using Jade Leaf Matcha. They come in individual packets. It's actually equal to half a teaspoon of matcha in case you happen to have the powder. And here in a bowl, I've got 1 tablespoon of hot water. I'm going to go ahead and pour that right into the hot water and let that dissolve completely. I'm just going to go ahead and use a whisk. And once that is completely dissolved into the water, I am also going to now add 1 tablespoon of honey. Now, because the water is hot, the honey is going to go ahead and melt right into that. So just go ahead and whisk it together. And then you're ready. So pour your milk into the blender, your matcha and honey mixture, and 2 cups of ice. It's that easy. So go ahead and blend that. And then just pour that right into your glass. And then go ahead and top that with whipped cream. And that is your Matcha Latte Frappuccino. Okay, so for our final one, it is the Caramel Frappuccino, 1/4 cup of cold coffee, half a cup of milk, a tablespoon of caramel syrup, 2 cups of ice, and some whipped cream. Okay, so go ahead and take your cold coffee, pour that right into the blender, your half a cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of caramel. I am using the Smucker's caramel syrup, and 2 cups of ice. Okay, and now just go ahead and blend that. Now, same as we did with the mocha, we are going to go ahead and take our syrup and pour that on the inside of our glass. And then we're going to go ahead and pour our Frappuccino right in there. and go ahead and top that off with whipped cream. And we're also going to take our caramel sauce and drizzle that over the top of the whipped cream. And that is our caramel Frappuccino. And there you have it, 4 different Frappuccino recipes from the Starbucks menu. Let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite. And if you happen to make one, make sure that you tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see what you guys are making. Until next time, enjoy. Thanks again for watching, and as always, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Love you all. Until next time.